Hey guys, glad you're back. Today I'm going to be drawing a fighter jet. I'm going to draw this from the side view and then I'm going to go and color it in. So come on and join me, have some fun. Here we go. I'm going to use an ink pen that is a thinner one. You don't want to use a really thick ink pen because it's going to be a little hard to see your all the details. So I'll go and first start off with drawing a line for the ground of my airplane. Okay, and then we'll grab a circle template, or you could freehand this if you like, but we'll draw two wheels. So the front wheel, I'm going to draw right about here. I'm going to put a little dot for where the center is, and then the back wheel is going to be right about here. So for the front wheel, I'll take my circle template and I'll draw this round circle. And in the back, this one's going to be a little bit bigger. Just a tad bigger, and we'll draw a circle like that using our template. And now on the back wheel, I'm going to go and draw the inner part of the tire, which will be the rim part, the metal rim part, like that. And over here we could do the same with the front. Just pick a smaller circle, do something like that. Okay. We can go up from here and draw a shape like a little rectangular vertical box like that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to draw the opening of where the wheel kind of pops out. So we'll draw a line like this that kind of comes up, and over here we'll go up and then connect those lines together. From here we can go up and to the left, and we'll draw another line to the right of that. And then we'll come and draw one more almost in the middle of this shape right here, come up. And then what we can do is we'll connect these lines together. And then coming towards the front of my plane, I'm going to draw a line that comes over like this, and then I'm going to come down and meet up over here. So it's going to be a little pointy, and then we're going to round, have a soft curve like that. And then down here we can connect these two lines like this, and then we can draw a line like this towards the back, and we're going to be just above that back wheel, and then we're going to come up like this and keep going just like that. Okay, so if you have your wheel distance like that, it's about the same in the front and then the same in the back roughly for your proportions. Now over here I'm going to draw the front top part. So we're going to go up, stop about halfway from this line here. And then we're going to go up, have a bump for the cockpit, and then we're going to come down like this. And for our cockpit, we can come down and straight across, and we'll bump back up, and then we'll do an echo line like this, and we'll leave a little bit wider in the back here. We'll stop a little bit earlier. And then what we can do is we could put a seat in here with a little harder piece in the back. So it's kind of like a padded area and then a harder shell in the back. And then we can draw a little heads up display in the front with a little thing right there. So that's where our pilot's going to sit. Okay, and then the next thing we can do is from this point here, we're going to go and we're going to come to this line like that, and then we're going to draw this line here, parallel line right over there, and then we'll connect these. Okay, now back over here, we'll come off of this line and we'll go up a little bit like this, and then we'll go straight across And then this line here will be just above that line and run straight across like that. And then what we can do is we can draw the tail fin that's going up like this in that direction. We can draw a flat line like that for the top of it, and then we'll come down at an angle and we'll stop just before we get to this line here. And then we'll draw one more line like that. And then back here we can have another wing that's horizontal, like sideways. And then we'll kind of pinch those together. And then what we can do is we can take this line here and we'll come right over and meet that tail fin. Just like that. And then we can do another line coming off of this. And that comes down as well. Okay, and then if you like, we can add some little extra details. Just like that. Draw maybe like a rectangle over here. Draw some more lines. All depends on how much detail that you guys want to get in. I'm going to do another little shape behind the front wheel. So it's going to go towards the right bottom, and then it's going to kind of come back. This little shock that comes back. And then something needs to be holding that back tire. So we'll just create like a little V shape, like an upside down L. And then we'll do a couple more smaller ones like that. And we'll just do the opposite on the other side. All right, so there you go. That was pretty simple. We just drew a fighter jet from the side angle. Hope you guys liked it. Now, if you guys want, let's go and color this in. I'm gonna color it in. You guys can follow along and just see how it goes. All right, so you can actually get the copy of this coloring page by looking down below in the description and clicking on the link. It's free. So if you want to just color this in, go and grab yourself a copy, print it out, and have some fun. Here we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like my channel and subscribe. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be able to see all of these. All right, guys? We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.